Traditionally, performing a job hazard analysis, called a JHA, out in the field involves booklets, forms, or even logbooks. But physical records are vulnerable. They might get lost, damaged, or even scattered to the wind. That's why we need a dependable and accessible system for archiving and retrieval. When you move to a digital format, maybe previously through IBM Maximo, or even now with Application Suite Manage, there is an inspection form feature to take advantage of. Teams can access and fill out inspection forms right from a browser or a mobile application. These forms, whether they're called inspection forms or JHA forms, they can come pre-built with all the necessary questions and response types for the teams. These inspection forms are not standalone. They can be associated with assets, locations, job plans, route stops, or even used for unscheduled checks. You create them in the planning module, and then your team fills them out either by work orders or directly. Again, they can use either a browser or a mobile device. When you're building the JHA form, you can include open text fields, yes/no options, and even drop-down choices, whatever it takes to suit the analysis at hand. You can let users jot down comments, enter work order numbers, and even create multiple form types tailored for specific types of work. You can enrich the form by allowing users to upload photos directly. Plus, they can even sign the form with a real wet signature. Once perfected, the form is activated as a template, so every use is a fresh instance that's coming out of the database. If you have a need for some logic in the form, it certainly has it. Forms can present follow-up questions based upon earlier answers, and even trigger additional actions, such as raising a service request, right from within the form. It's a very powerful and dynamic workflow tool. In practice, teams can launch the form from a work order, directly from an asset or a location, or even for ad hoc purposes. They fill in details on their tablet, enter names, answers, even sign the form, and hit complete. This instantly creates an official electronic record of the JHA. All forms, whether completed, pending, or in progress, appear in the Work Details section of Asset or Location Records. It's easy for supervisors or auditors to review the full history of JHAs linked to the specific assets. Auditability is baked in. Revision control ensures that users always see the current form version. Completed forms are stored right next to work orders for cross-reference and automatically record who filled it out and when. Need some insights at scale? You can use custom BERT reports or even specialized application views to present JHA outcomes in a clearer, more actionable format. This helps with trend tracking and decision making. So in summary, the digital inspection forms that you find in Application Suite Manage enhance the JHA process by improving the reliability of the data, accessibility to users, and the auditability, as well as integration into workflows. If you'd like to see it in action or need some help setting it up, TRM has deep experience you can rely upon. Thank you.